So this is a tab. Oh. Hello? Hello? There is no sound. Please let me know why there is no sound. Is it just really soft? Oh, there we go. So this is a test of the audio and the positioning of the camera. Oh, so that's not gonna work. For the talky parts. Should I have it down here and show that I am drawing? Like so. Talkity talk talk to talk to talks. Oh, I kind of like this. Or should I bring it down closer so everybody can see the art? Like this. You can't see my face. I could be just be some rims, a tie, a watch. I mean, that's like all I've ever wanted to be anyways. I mean, who needs to see my whole face? And people can't even say it's not even a face reveal. But I'm Batman. I just realized I'm Batman. I only show this part of my face. The Batman of art tutorials. I'm gonna bring down my voice. What's up, gamer girls and guys? Today, we're gonna learn how to draw eyes. I mean, oh no, I showed my eyes. Oh no, I blew my cover. Batman wouldn't make mistakes like this. Let's actually figure out what the real angle should be, shall we? Okay, what about this? I don't like the hunched overness. I want to sit up straight. Oh shit. My shoulders look huge in this. I'm not complaining, but I feel like me looking down is just not very interesting. This is what real art looks like. It's a masterpiece. Should I change the lighting? Hello. Welcome to watch Sully do art where you can't see the tablet, and I will be constantly in profile. Oh, my eyes. I don't like how my head's cut off. Higher. This thing's gonna tip over. Is this as far as it goes? Oh, this is a good look. I can't be having iPhones in my videos. I mean, come on. But it can know I actually have some cash. Oh, this is it. Okay, the lighting, not so much, but I'm right on the edge of the table. God, it's gonna fall off and I'm gonna like break my phone. Should I move the mic is the real question. Over here, in front of my face? You know, where mic should be, not behind you? Oh, it's right next to my very loud keyboard though. Yeah, that's really loud. The one time I regret having a really clicky keyboard. So, I guess I could talk like this. How far away am I from the mic? Well, look at this, I've moved it. I'll keep the mic here. So this is how you draw. By taking a color and you move it around like so. I'm not talking about the art, I'm just talking about the process of the art. And so I could talk to the camera when this happens. So I could be like, let's talk about lighting. So I think we got the setup here. Yay. Stop.